Welcome to today's video. We're taking a closer look at this incredible, futuristic tricycle camper designed for eco-conscious adventurers. Let's start with its design. The camper's sleek, aerodynamic shape is painted in a calming green shade, giving it a modern and eco-friendly vibe. On top, there's a solar panel that powers its essential features, making it a sustainable choice for those who love traveling off the grid. Inside, it's all about functionality and innovation. The kitchenette is compact but highly efficient, featuring a sink and cleverly designed storage for all your essentials. What makes this camper stand out is the indoor gardening section. Yes, you can grow your plants while traveling, perfect for fresh herbs or small greens on the go. The technology doesn't stop there. It includes an advanced digital control panel, giving you full control of its features and systems. The tricycle attachment is built for stability and versatility, making it easy to navigate through narrow roads or scenic routes. The overall setup is ideal for minimalists who want to explore without sacrificing comfort or sustainability. Whether you're camping in the hills or enjoying a coastal road trip, this camper ensures you're ready for any adventure. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.